In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Instagram follow limit. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your Instagram profile and clicking the three lines in the top right corner. You're going to click on Settings and scroll down and click Help. You're going to click on Report a Problem, and you are going to actually report the problem without shaking. I'm not going to include this, but you're then going to explain the problem. I'm going to say, I am having an issue with the Instagram follow limit. Please fix this. You're going to send this problem to Instagram, and you should get a response within 3 to 5 business days. Something else you could try instead of reporting the problem or while you wait is to actually unfollow some accounts and refollow the new ones that you would like to follow. Those are the options that you have to fix the Instagram follow limit. That's all we have. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.